Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to fix sound and audio issue in Borderlands 4 quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Check in-game audio settings. Step 1. Launch Borderlands 4. Step 2. Go to Settings Audio. Step 3. Make sure master volume, music, SFX, and voice chat are not muted or too low. Step 4. Ensure the correct output device, speakers, headphones, is selected. Fix 2. Check Windows audio settings. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar. Open Sound Settings. Step 2. Make sure the correct output device is selected. Step 3. Click App Volume and Device Preferences and ensure Borderlands 4 is not muted. Fix 3. Update audio drivers. Step 1. Press Windows EX or Device Manager. Step 2. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Step 3. Right-click your audio device, update driver. Search automatically. Fix 4. Disable audio enhancements. Step 1. Open Control Panel, Sound, Playback Devices. Step 2. Select your device, Properties Enhancements. Step 3. Check Disable all enhancements, apply OK.